Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. Today, Erin will be testing out nail glue versus nail resin to see which one will hold crystals onto nails the longest. Everything we're using here today is from Amazon, so we'll have links to these products for you guys in the description box below. So let's go ahead and test them out.
Hey guys, it's Erin. So I decided to wear a nice light pink with these crystals for the week that I tested the nail glue and resin. So I'm painting all of my nails with Essie Gel Couture Matter of Fiction. Then I'm applying the Essie Platinum Grade Top Coat. Once my nails are completely dry, I'm starting on the crystals. These are from Amazon and they come in a big bag with a bunch of different sized circular crystals. To apply these, I'm going to be using this wax picking pen. The wax end makes picking up the crystals super easy and precise, and the other metal end is great for pushing around the gems to make sure they're exactly where you want them on your nail. First, for my right hand, I'm taking the nail glue and putting a drop of it on a piece of plastic. Then I'm taking a dotting tool and adding the nail glue to the top of my nail and using the wax pen to add the crystal. To adjust the crystal, I'm using the pointed metal end and making sure it's pressed firmly on my nail. The nail glue dries pretty quickly. Now right below that, I'm adding another dot of glue and putting a slightly smaller crystal on my nail. Again, adjusting it, making sure it's pressed firmly into the nail glue. And then I'm repeating that process again with the smallest crystal. And that's the nail glue hand done. Now onto nail resin. This nail resin needs an activator to make the resin dry faster, which is this spray bottle here. So I'm putting a dot of the resin on a piece of plastic like last time, and as you can see, it's a little runnier than the nail glue, which had a thicker consistency. I'm basically doing the same thing that I did on my other hand, doing a dot of the resin and then adding a crystal, and repeating that with 2 more crystals. Then once they're all on my nail, I'm taking the activator spray and spraying it a few inches away from my nail. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area since it has a strong smell. I'm also taking a Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover to clean up the excess activator from around my nail. And that's the nail resin hand done. I'm going to be wearing these for a week to test them out. So I didn't lose any crystals until day 3, where the tiniest one on my pinky nail fell off my nail resin hand. As you can see, the silver backing of the crystal was still stuck in the resin, so I wasn't quite sure if it fell off because the back separated from the crystal or if it was because of the nail resin. My nail glue hand was still all good on day 3. On day 5, I lost 2 more crystals on my nail resin hand, 1 more on my pinky nail, and 1 on my index nail. By day 6, I lost 1 more nail resin crystal, which was the biggest one on top of my thumb. My total wear test for these crystals was that I lost 4 on my nail resin hand and none on my nail glue hand. So in my personal experience this week, the good old-fashioned nail glue worked best to hold on crystals. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Click the boxes here to check out more from CutePolish, and you can subscribe to CutePolish here for a new video every week. You can also subscribe to my personal nail channel by clicking the circle here.